Hey man, thanks for tuning in. We got a Yamaha golf cart here, gas. It's a G16, 1990, 1997 model year, G16. Just wanted to show you, man, how to figure out if it's a bad coil, if it's firing, if it's a bad coil, or the ignition module. Your ignition relay module is under here on the driver's side. Under here is a small black box, look like a relay. And what you can do, man, you can see I got a spark tester here. Turn the key on, hit the gas. You see it firing. All right. Now this cart here, it would fire sometimes it wouldn't. Whenever it wouldn't fire, don't fire. All you have to do is unplug this here. You just push in right here and unplug it. And what that does, that leaves nothing else but the coil as a magneto type coil. So as long as the engine's spinning over, it's going to fire. The ignition relay just gives it a ground to kill the fire. That's all it does. You can see when I hit the gas, this car here had an intermittent problem. You could drive it down the road, then it would quit running. Of course, we get into the shop, look at it, and never quits. Kept it here for about 7 to 10 days. Once he gets it back, within about 10 minutes, it quits on him. But that's normally how it is, man. So if you ever take your car to a shop or something, intermittent running, you gotta just bear with them, man. It takes time to figure them out. All right, man. Thanks for watching, man. Appreciate it.